everyone, welcome to this week's Trippin' with Silver Daddy. And I'm at a truly beautiful place. I mean, just look at this. I'm at the Olbrich Botanical Gardens. And you know, this was the dream of Michael B. Olbrich. He was an attorney here in Madison back in the 1920s. And in 1921, he started purchasing all this land around the lake here in Madison. He had this vision that he wanted it to become a municipal gardens for everyone to enjoy. Sadly, he passed away before it actually became a reality. But all this land was donated and taken over by the government, the local government in 1952, and developed into what his dream was. You know, it's just an incredible place. It sits on over 16 acres of gardens. And this thing behind me, that's the Bolt's Conservatory. It has plants, like 750 different plants in there from the tropicals and subtropical terrains. There's also birds flying around inside the place. Has its own waterfalls, you know, with koi fish in the ponds inside. So it's a beautiful thing no matter what the weather is. It could be raining or snowing and you can enjoy this place. But probably the best thing about this place, it has the only authentic Thai pavilion in the continental United States. The Thai pavilion was actually built in a gift from the royal family of Thailand. It was built in Thailand and shipped over here. The entire building is built with no screws or no nails. And the roof is gold plated. So, with gold leaf. Pretty cool, and it's surrounded by Thai gardens. There's a lot of different types of gardens here. I mean, you have the sunken garden, which is like an English garden. You have the Thai garden, which I just mentioned. There's a rock garden, which is supposed to look, it looks like the side of a mountain. A lot of conifers and alpine flowers that grow there. Did I talk about the herb garden? Oh, it smells so good. All that sensory stuff. They just have so much going on here. Look at this cool little thing. I've never seen this. Look at this. See these right here? These hollow reeds? That's a native beehive. And it's an actual working hive. They have these throughout the place. I'm telling you, if you're into plants and beauty, or just need a place to get your mojo back, and that's why I'm here, because I've been pretty stressed. It's a great place just to get centered. Hey everyone, if you're ever up in the Madison, Wisconsin area, this is a place you need to come see. I want to thank you, and please leave your comments below for joining me this podcast. And remember, as always, love, peace, and respect. Bye.